Imagine walking into a career fair where you can climb a virtual wind turbine or learn CPR on the spot. That's exactly what happened at this year's Tendring Jobs and Skills Fair, a vibrant event that turned traditional job hunting upside down. Held at Clacton's Princess Theatre on September 25th, the fair wasn't just about handing out brochures. It was about letting people experience their future careers firsthand. From high-speed S1 pit stop simulations to immersive VR adventures, attendees got a taste of what it's really like to work in cutting-edge industries. But here's where it gets controversial. Can a single event truly transform someone's career path? And what if the skills you're learning today don't even exist yet? These are the questions sparking debates among employers and job seekers alike. The fair, organized by Tendring District Council in partnership with the Department for Work and Pensions, Jobcentre Plus, aims to bridge this gap by connecting residents with over 1,000 exhibitors, spanning diverse sectors. It's not just about finding a job, it's about discovering what's possible, says Councillor Ivan Henderson, who emphasizes that the event is about raising aspirations as much as filling roles. One standout story: Brightlingsea Harbour, which has hired someone from the fair for 4 consecutive years. Last year, they met Millie, a candidate who impressed Deputy Harbour Master Owen Evans so much that she was offered a full-time administrative role, even though no positions were open at the time. The role looked nothing like what I'd done before, Millie admits. But I wanted to learn. Now I'm loving every minute. Owen adds, we've had incredible success through this fair. It's not just about resumes, it's about seeing how people react in real-world scenarios. And this is the part most people miss. The fair isn't just for job seekers. Employers walk away with fresh talent too. Take the VR turbine climb, a simulation that gives participants a visceral sense of working in renewable energy. Or the CPR demo, which highlights the importance of soft skills in healthcare. These hands-on experiences let employers see candidates in action, while attendees get a realistic preview of their potential jobs. So what's next? The Tendring4Growth Business Fortnight continues, with free sessions for entrepreneurs and business owners, including workshops on building sustainable town centers and launching startups. Curious to know if this kind of event could work for your community? Or do you think traditional job fairs still hold more value? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We want to hear your take on whether immersive career experiences are the future of employment or just a flashy gimmick.